kitchen gadgets. We haven't done one of these videos for a while, so I thought I'd put one up today. Today what I want to have a look at is the Actifry. Now the Actifry is something that you probably bought many years ago, just simply made some chips with it and then put it away, and that's probably the end of it. What you tend to find is that you use 1 spoon of oil. Sometimes the food can come out dry. If you're dieting, it's great, or if you've got cholesterol issues, it's great because you're only using 1 spoon of oil. And the chips and the food that you put in there can feel a little bit dry. Add a little bit of gravy, add a little bit of sauce. Don't let it put you off. Try and get the Actifry back out of the cupboard. Also, Actifries are quite expensive, so these days you can also buy air fryers, which is very similar to Actifry, but half the price. And you also can get Origin cookers. The slight difference with Origin cookers, it doesn't turn the food around as it cooks it. I'm not sure if the air fryers do, they may do, but the Actifry definitely does. If you want to throw in chips, sausage, croutons, that sort of thing, and you want it to cut through without worrying about it, it turns the food for you. And what you can also do is add ingredients as though you're cooking a meal. So you can put in your onions to begin with your chicken, put it on for 5 minutes, then lift it up, put in your mushrooms and extra veg, let it have another 5 to 10 minutes, and then put in the sauce that you want to have. So you could have a tomato based sauce for a chili, you could have a curry based sauce and just have a curry, whatever, but put the sauce in and then leave it a further 15 minutes. Put a little bit of water in there because, like I say, when it cooks things it will make things look a bit more drier. So if you're having a curry, it can come out not as runny as what you want it to be with the sauce. So just put a little bit of water in, let it run that 15 minutes. So looking at the Actifry, basically it's a machine which consists of a basket. So we press the button, the top pops up, we have the basket there, and we fill this with food. So if we fill it with chips, we just add 1 spoon of oil. If it's a natural product, if you bought chips say from Iceland or Asda and they're actually frozen, do not put oil in, just put the chips in and you're done. Same with croutons, cut up some bread, spoon of oil, put loads of croutons in, give them 5 minutes, you've got your perfect croutons for your soup. Nice, easy and simple. So once your food is in, on the left hand side we have a button which is the on off button, and on the right hand side we just have the timer button. And every time you press this button it just ups it by 1 minute. And as you can also see is that we've got some ideas there. So if you want chips it's 30 to 32 minutes, if you're having chicken, you know, it's about 30 to 40 minutes. And you have all these little cooking times as well. Now what will happen is that when your food's ready you'll get a countdown, and when it reaches 0 it will beep to let you know that you're done. And once again, like I said before, if you put sausage in, it will rotate. You can put chicken in there, chicken wings, or chicken legs, or even chicken breast. Spoon of oil and it will rotate it round, so it makes it more of a rotisserie. It tastes great, it really does. It really is an healthier alternative than say using the chip pan. You can use them a lot less time. So we'll be using the Actifry in upcoming videos for recipe ideas. But if you've got one, drag it out, give it a good clean. Don't throw it away, let's start using it. Once again, it is a good healthy option. So thank you for watching, we'll see you soon, and take care.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.